Hello, everyone. Today is Thursday, and we're excited and welcome back to our class. Today, make sure that you do your eye openers. Make sure you get those done. And today, I want to see your progress. Today, you should have kind of your rut finishing up, trying to get your poster finished and ready for tomorrow to show your final poster design. And I'm looking forward to it. Remember, if you need to meet with me, let me know, and we can set up a time for me to look at it and kind of critique it and give you some ideas. Um, Remember your colors. This is what we want to focus on today. There's different types of colors that you can use in your piece. There's analogous colors that are side by side on the color wheel. So they're like yellow, warm colors like yellow, orange, and red. They're side by side. Then there's blue, greens, and purples. They're side by side. So make sure you don't have colors everywhere. You want to try to have a color scheme. Try to figure out what colors are going to go on your poster, and so that it all works together. Colors play an important part in different things and different cultures, but you want the colors to kind of represent something bright and vibrant. You want your colors to be vibrant and bright. You want to make sure that you have colors that kind of draws the viewer in. So you want colors that sort of draw the viewer in. You want them to be bright and vibrant, and they go around the composition. So you can fade certain colors out if you want to use value, and if you want to fade certain colors out, you can. You can fade them out from dark to light. It just depends on what you want to do for your project. One of the things, like I said, some things that I'm looking for tomorrow. I want the project to be complete. I am looking for your neatness involved. Remember, I grade on a scale of 1 to 4. 4 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. And I wanted to also share with you our rubric. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys, my grading rubric, so you can kind of get an idea of how I grade and what I'm looking for concerning that. Let's see, file and folder. All right, let's see if we can pull up our folder. Okay. Let's see here. All right, so I'm going to go to Google Drive and I'm going to type in rubric, and I want you to kind of see the art rubric, and I'm going to open this in Google Drive so you can see it. But the main thing, like I said, I want everyone to understand how I grade, so you can get acclimated to the course and pretty much how that's going to look. So I grade on a scale of 1 to 4, as you can see here. 4 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. So 1 means you did not meet my expectations. You barely grasped the concepts and skills in number 2. And number 3, you just did the basics. So basic is like a 3, like I would say like a B average. 4 is when you go beyond what I say to get that A. Okay, it's unique, it's individual. You have a complete understanding of the elements of art and principles of design. Very helpful and positive attitude. Never misses class like that. Takes notes responsibly. Helpful. Talks about absent too much. So these are the grading scales. 93 to 100 is a 4. That means you went beyond what I said to get that level 4. You added more Bitmojis in there. You really tried to color it in. It looks great. If you need more time, you can probably, if something happens, you need to let me know. But normally we want to try to finish at the deadline because we're on virtual learning. We cannot kind of extend assignments, so you want to try to get it done as much as you can during the week. Okay, so that's just an example there. And some people really take a long time to color, but that's fine. But the main thing is we want to try to get it done for the deadline, so that way when we grade it, it's graded in time, and we can move on to the next assignment on Mondays. So I'm looking forward to see what you have, and let's let's get ready to go, and I look forward to seeing your work.